There are, of course, lots of great things to do in Lakewood Ranch. But I've always said one of the best things about living in Lakewood Ranch is the location, because not only are there a lot of great things to do in Lakewood Ranch, but there's a lot of great things to do in and around Lakewood Ranch. So of course on this channel we are going to continue to show you great things to do in Lakewood Ranch, but we're going to continue our little mini series of showing you great things to do in and around Lakewood Ranch. So buckle up, we're hopping in the car. Okay, so let me preface by saying I'm 56 years old. I kind of like living in suburbia. I go to bed early. My alarm goes off at 4:45 a.m. every day, although I'm up before that one. However, that being said, we do still like to go out. Yes, we're not that old. I mean, out of suburbia into the city. So we live off of University Parkway, so this trip will be longer or shorter depending on where you live in Lakewood Ranch. So the next exit north is State Road 70. So we are traveling on I-75 headed north, and just in terms of Lakewood Ranch, there are 4 exits. Starting from the south, there's Fruitville Road, then there's University Parkway. You saw that we just passed State Road 70, and now we're passing State Road 64. All said and done, it's about 15 minutes with no traffic from the furthest south to the furthest north exit. So depending on where you live in Lakewood Ranch, this trip could be significantly shorter or slightly longer. Either way, it's pretty close. And just like that, 35 miles, 40 minutes later, we are on Central Avenue in downtown St. Pete. So we actually spent a lot of time in St. Pete. We love St. Pete. Great food. There's some art museums. The Dolly Museum is here. Plus, they have one of the best places to see a concert. We see a lot of concerts. We see a lot of concerts now that we are back on the mainland from Maui. Tonight we're going to Janus Live. First tickets we bought as soon as we knew that we were moving back. And because we were going to see a concert at Janus Live, we're going to stay in St. Pete, right there. That hotel. Why? We don't want to drink and drive. It's cheaper than an Uber, and we like St. Pete. So, it's beautiful, right? Staycation. When we do a little staycation, we stay right here, Ponce de Leon. Nothing fancy, but very convenient. Super cute, right? Hey, do me a favor too, drop a comment down below. Let us know if you like these types of videos where we're showing you what's close by Lakewood Ranch. So in addition to having a great downtown area with restaurants and bars, there is also the Tampa Bay Rowdies professional soccer team right down the street. Probably less than a quarter of a mile from where I'm at. The Tampa Bay Rays play in St. Pete currently. They're looking to build a new stadium. There is one of the longest running farmers market, also right down the street, less than a quarter mile, maybe a half a mile. St. Pete Beach is stunningly gorgeous. There's Passive Grove Beach, stunningly gorgeous. You have boating, you have fishing, you have kayaking, stand-up paddleboarding. Everything you need is right here in St. Pete. That's why we love coming here. So the farmers market is on Saturday mornings, every Saturday morning, normally in this field, but if you need a place to find it, it's right there next to the stadium. Hey, by the way, if this is your first time checking out our channel, hello and welcome. If you are a returning viewer, welcome back. My name's Adam Miller with the 941 Lifestyle Group. I'm a real estate agent. I'm a lifestyle matchmaker. We're so glad that you found the video. So glad that you found the channel. Appreciate you watching. We'll see you next time, everyone.